Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out a new beauty product, which I am really excited about, and it is the new Kiss Falscara. It's pretty much like falsies, but more along the lines of lash extensions. And the cool thing about these lashes is that you would actually apply them underneath your lashes as opposed to on top, like how you would do lash strips or something. I had lash extensions since last summer, pretty much. Loved having them, but due to the quarantine, I took them out because I wasn't going to be getting them filled anytime soon. Honestly, they are a little bit pricey to continue to maintain. Although I did love having them, things happen and you kind of gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm hoping that these can be that replacement for my lash extensions and hopefully easier. I don't know if you've heard of Lashify. So these, I guess, are like a drugstore dupe for the Lashify product. This kit cost me $16.49 before taxes. And I believe the Lashify kit cost $145. So a huge cost difference between the two. The Lashify, I believe, can last up to 1 week. And these are meant to be taken off daily. So they don't last as long, but it's much cheaper. And if you take care of them, they're reusable. I don't know. I'm super excited. I did my makeup. I put like a tiny bit of mascara. Like my lashes are all tiny because, them lash extensions mess me up. All right, so just so you can see real quick, the kit comes with this little applicator here. This is the bond and the primer and the bond. What is it? Oh, I'm sorry. The bond and the seal. So this goes first. Then you put the little lashes on. I don't know if you can see those. And then you seal after you've applied the lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start out with the bond. And the instructions say to just put a little bit. So that's what I'll do. I don't even really feel like I'm putting any on, to be honest with you. So hopefully this is actually getting on my lashes. So you start at the bottom. Okay. Oh, it's coming off. All right, so I'm gonna get the bond and put like another layer because I feel like maybe that just wasn't enough. Okay, that's much better. Okay, got another one on. Wow. So, I don't know. I mean, look at the difference between this eye and this eye. And it looks like very natural, I feel. I'm impressed. So next, I'm going to go in with the seal. And I don't really know what this is supposed to do, to be honest with you. One side down, and I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully speed through the other side. All right, so I have both sets on, and honestly, I struggled a little bit more with this side than I did this side, even though I had already applied it once and already knew what to do. One thing that I did notice is that the bond makes your lashes stick together, and I don't know if that's because I had mascara on or not. It's sticky, and I mean that makes sense because you got to get your lashes on. You can see a little bit like some of my lashes would like clump together. So I didn't like that. They're super lightweight, so that's a plus, and I like how natural they look. I am curious to see how long they're gonna last throughout the day, if they're gonna fall off. I am gonna go and run a couple of errands and come back in a couple of hours just to kind of update you and let you know how well they lasted, and we'll go from there. So real quick before I leave, I just used my eyelash curler. I just used my eyelash curler to kind of curl them up a little bit, and I'm liking it a lot better. So I feel like it's a lot more noticeable and it just looks good. Just wanted to show you that real quick before I leave. So that actually makes a huge difference. All right, so I'm back and it's been about 5 hours. So I know that's not that long, but you know, a couple hours wear. And I changed my lip gloss because I was just testing out this new lip gloss that I got. So that's why it's different. I feel like they're holding up pretty darn good. I really like them. I'm really feeling them. I'd say a thumbs up. I want you guys to see underneath though, like the line. Okay, that one doesn't look so bad, but I felt like this one. Oh yeah, so you can kind of see how it's a little bit crooked when I was lining it up, but I don't think you can tell if you're just looking. And then like if I close my eyes, I don't think you can really see that bad. So I feel like that's kind of good, especially if you're not used to using some kind of product like this, then that's good. Hopefully I can get them off nicely so that way I'm able to reuse them again. Kiss actually does have a product that goes in conjunction with the Falscara lashes that help you remove the lashes. I didn't see it at the store. I just saw it online. So I'm just gonna try to use my micellar water and hopefully it works. So I'm just gonna hold it there for a couple of seconds and let's just hope that they come off easily because I'm not trying to pull off any more of my lashes. Okay. Ooh, okay, that was really easy. That was actually really easy. I wonder if these will just come off if I... Okay, one of them did. Let's try the micellar water on it and see if it works. Okay, yay! So at least we know that the micellar water works great as an alternative in case you're not able to buy the remover that goes with the Falscara lashes. I'd say that they are great. I like them. I would totally recommend them, especially that they're not that expensive and you can reuse them. For the price, I don't think that's bad. And it was really easy to apply and they felt really lightweight. So that's what I really, really loved about it, was the feeling that you weren't wearing false lashes. Okay, so this concludes my review and my first impression of the new Kiss Falscara lashes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video.